The MSI MAG CORELIQUID I360 cooler offers very strong processor temperature control thanks to its enlarged copper contact plate and dense internal channels that move heat away quickly under heavy loads. Its dual-chamber pump and split-flow radiator design keep hot and cold liquids separated efficiently, which helps the cooler maintain stable performance during long gaming or rendering sessions. The three addressable lighting fans move a large volume of air with solid static pressure, yet stay relatively controlled in sound level for a high-performance liquid setup. Build quality feels robust, and the pre-installed radiator fans plus tidy cable cover make installation smoother and leave the interior of the case looking much cleaner. The dual-sided infinity mirror block with second-generation addressable lighting gives the system a distinctive, customizable look that stands out in a tempered glass case without appearing gaudy. Compatibility is straightforward because the unified mounting bracket works with both modern Intel and AMD sockets, so it is easy to reuse this cooler across different processor platforms.